Alright, so sapatos muna tayo mga pare-request, no? Daming mga balay po. Okay. Alright, ang linis naman ng motor ko, tangina. Alright mga pare-request, and here we go. Okay, tama mga pare-request. Magandang araw po ngayon. Medyo mainit po dito. But anyway, we're all good mga pare-request, no? As long as makapag-take tayo ng video ngayon, that is going to be a very wonderful day for us. Alright, so welcome back. Officially, we are officially back. Alright, anyway, for today's video mga pare-request, so we have some, you know, a lot of people asking me mga pare-request kung what is negative at ano po yung ground. So kasi sa kadalasan yun yung mga tanong na nare-receive ko o yung nakukuha ko from my video sa how to install a Bluewater, how to install or how to wiring a horn. So yung mga most frequently asked questions is, Sir Dong or Dodong Andot, saan po ba makikita yung ground? Or ano po ba yung ground? Ano ba ang kaibahan ng ground at negative? Or pwede bang i-direct lang yung negative sa ground? I mean, mga pare-request, for today's video, I will totally answer your questions mga pare-request, no? Iibahin po natin yung negative at iibahin po natin yung ground. When we're going to specifically talk about ground, yung purpose niya kaysa negative is totally the same mga pare-request, no? Pero yeah, seriously mga pare-request, yung ground po at yung negative is pareho. Kasi maraming tao nagtataka eh. And I would like to apologize kasi hindi ko po na-explain ng matino doon sa video na ina-upload ko. So if you haven't checked the video like on how to install the Bluewater or any auxiliary lights, I have a video for that. For those people na gustong matuto kung paano mag-install ng PIAA horn or any horn that needs a relay, I have a video for that, allocated for that, so you can definitely check out my channel for that video, or I will also put it on the description below para meron kayong guide mga pare-request. For today's video is going to be solely focus po sa ground at negative. We are going to talk about how to properly wire or how to properly tap your ground or your negative. Pasensya na po, sobrang traffic po dito sa Mandawi City. We're along the highway right now. So, ito talaga yung sitwasyon ko every day mga pare-request. Napaka-traffic, napakagulo, napaka-polluted. Ano na ba to? Cebu, baka naman. Meron tayong spaceship dyan or mga flying cars na naman dyan mga pare-request. Ang hirap na. Alright, so back to the topic mga pare-request, no? So, meron tayong problema ngayon. Pare-request, saan ba tayo magtatap ng Bluewater? Or saan ba tayo magtatap ng ground clearance? Here's the thing mga pare-request. Kung magtatap tayo ng ground clearance or kung magwa-wiring tayo ng motor, meron tayong tinatawag na ground. Itong si ground mga pare-request, this is the negative side or the negative port ng electricity. Meaning to say, wala po ito isang power. Wala po itong power. However, it will complete the circuit mga pare-request. So, saan makikita? Ito yung tanong. Saan makikita yung ground mga pare-request? Saan makikita or saan tayo pwede mag-tap ng ground? Well, to answer that, your frame, your motorcycle frame, or simply known as chassis, that is your ground, mga pare. Yung chassis ng motor nyo. Meron po yung ground. Yan po ang tinatawag natin ground. Not the literal ground, but ground. Or the common ground, mga pare ko, no? Yun po yung common negative. Doon po makikita natin yung negative power ng electricity. So, without the ground, mga pare ko, hindi po makukomplete yung circuit. Or hindi po aandar yung ating Bluewater. Kasi wala po tayong negative port or negative terminal. Paano naging negative or paano naging ground yung chassis ng motor, Sir Andot? Well, mga pare ko, here's the answer. From the battery itself, mga pare ko, from the negative port or negative terminal ng battery, the negative side is directly connected doon sa chassis or frame ng motor nyo. That's the reason na kung kahit saang part ng chassis ng motor, meron talagang negative power yan. And which we call as ground. So that is the main reason, mga pare ko, no? So again, don't forget this one. Any metal that is connected to the ground or to the chassis has that electricity, has the negative electricity, mga pare. Meaning to say that your ground can be connected anywhere from the chassis. It could be connected to your footrest. It could be connected to your manubela. Pero, here's the thing, mga pare, no? Always remember this. Kasi merong nagsasabi, Sir Jot, bakit wala pong power yung negative ko? Knowing na yung manubela niya is already modified. When we say modified, baka yung manubela niya is aluminum or alloy or any material na hindi conductive sa electricity. That simply means that in natural way, hindi talaga dadalo yung kuryente sa mga parte na hindi nagkakandak ng electricity. Gets? Okay ba tayo dyan? Right. So that's the thing, mga pare ko. No? Always remember, the main ground is your chassis. You can put or you can tap your ground wiring dun sa chassis ng motor natin. It will definitely complete the circuit, mga pare ko. At aandar talaga yung Bluewater nyo. I promise you that. Pero, take note, pero, make sure that your wiring diagram is also complete or is also correct, mga pare. And as I have always mentioned, kasi marami talagang tao, marami talagang riders na gusto talaga matuto kung paano mag-wiring or gusto nilang sundin yung wiring diagram ko. Though it's not really my wiring diagram, no? Nakikita ko lang yan sa research ko and I've also tried it. Kaso ito yung pinakamagandang method, so ginawa ko. But anyway, just a reminder to everyone na gustong matuto talaga kung paano mag-install, kung paano mag-wiring ng motor niya. Here's the basic rule, mga pare ko. Always, if you have a tester, always make a test. Always do some testing sa kuryente ng motor niyo. Check every parts ng motor, mga pare ko. Check every frames ng motor niyo. And see kung meron ba itong negative power. That simply means that is your ground. Or that is the negative. At pwedeng makomplete ang circuit if you're going to tap your wiring dun sa ground or dun sa parte ng motor na may negative circuit or negative power. So I hope, mga pare ko, is meron po tayong natutunan, meron po tayong idea ngayon kung paano mag-install or mag-wiring ng motor natin. And this is very important, mga pare ko, kasi yung iba kasi they have already completed the circuit, no? They have already completed the fuse from from the relay going to the switch is already complete. Ang problema nga is hindi nag-click-click yung relay. Meaning to say, walang negative power. Ang meron lang is yung positive na power. So, galing sa baterya, going to the relay, merong power. From the relay, going to the ignition or any common positive sa motor, merong power. Pero, hindi pa rin umaandar yung Bluewater. Bakit? Or hindi pa rin umaandar yung horn. Bakit kaya? Here's the answer. Mga pare ko is, the main reason na hindi nakukomplete yung circuit, again, is wala po tayong good grounding. Or wala po tayong kinabit na negative power dun sa ating wiring diagram. Or dun sa ating wiring. So right, so I hope everyone is all good right now with regards to the negative or the grounding or the ground sa pagwa-wiring, mga pare ko. This is very important. Negative at ground is technically the same. Wala po yung kaibahan kundi sa kanilang spelling. At aside sa spelling, yung kanilang pronunciation, napaka-corny ko, putang ina. Anyway, I hope meron po tayong naintindihan sa ngayon, mga pare ko, no? Hopefully. So, mababawasan po natin yung mga confusion natin, mga pare ko. I hope clear na tayo lahat dyan. And anyway, kung meron pa kayong nalilito pa rin kayo, always comment those down below para ma-answer ko po lahat. And I do apologize kapag meron po ako nakalimutang i-reply or ano. But anyway, I hope everyone is good about ground at itong tinatawag natin na negative. So right, so again, this is your boy. If you have any questions, if you have any other doubts or confusion, just comment those down below, mga pare ko. At kung meron kayong any idea, you can also comment those down below para ma-share din natin sa iba't ibang mga riders, mga pare ko, na gustong matuto kung paano mag-wiring. Again, these are all basics, mga pare ko, no? A lot of practice and confidence, makukuha din natin yung gusto natin. So again, this is your boy. Don't forget to share, comment, and like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Gibain nyo yung subscribe button, mga pare ko, no? At again, click that notification bell para ma-notify kayo for the next video or every video na i-upload ko sa YouTube. Alright? And yeah, before I forget, meron po tayong Facebook page, Dodong Andot. Sa mga gusto mag-PM dyan or mag-private message sa akin, just message and follow my Facebook page, Dodong Andot. And we'll see you around, mga pare ko. Enjoy the rest of the day. Always take good care. And see you for the next vlog. Peace.